Kids are on this, oh, you okay? My wife, she fell or something on that. So the kids are on this jumping thing, jumperoo thing, whatever this is. Jumper bouncy house thing. This video is brought to you by Joshua Andrew Hilton. I think it is. I hope I'm saying it the right way. Cooper U-Haul Renters, Ditch It Junk Removal Service, paper out here. Our YouTube channel is sponsored by Ticrea Sabrio, QueenElizabethModeling.com, and CG Racing Merchandise Place on Facebook Marketplace. Make sure you check it all out. Make sure you become new subscribers to our YouTube channel. This is one of our sponsors right here. Ditch It Junk Removal Service. Here's another one of our sponsors. Oh, wait a minute, it's upside down. I'm sorry. Cooper U-Haul Renters, right here. Make sure you check them out. And this is for our show because God and family mean the most, right, kids? We're just having fun. Look at this. This is awesome right here. There it is, right there, Dana Brooks. Greenhouse place. Look at this, right here off the side of the road there. And the kids, a lot of people just having fun out here on this nice, pretty day here that God has blessed us with today. They can do the super slide too. That's super slide. They can do that too. You want to go down the slide? You can go do that too.
Okay, fine, I'll do that first. I'm going.
Wait a minute. We get back up here and I'll video the slide here in a minute.